It's too stuffy here. Let's go out and get it some fresh air.
Oh yes, let's go.
Hey, we are going out.
She looking so familiar. How do we know her?
Yeah, she's a neighbor. She's a teacher working in nearby play school.
Hi Ammu, which school have you joined?
What? She's just 4, so we haven't thought about it yet.
What? She is 4 and not yet joined any school. I think you don't know about the NFP of 2020. NFP is nothing but the new education policy and now it is updated. According to it, the child should spend 5 years in foundational stage, and in foundational stage is nothing. The child will join preschool or Anganwadi at the age 3 itself. But with this, your child will have cognitive or social economic development in the brain, and I feel age itself for a child it's necessary to be developed in these activities, because at the age of 3 itself the child will have ability to learn and solve problems. So I suggest definitely Amu should join preschool, and right now.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks for the information and we'll definitely join us soon.
Hey, did you hear about new education policy 2020?
Oh yeah, I heard that we have coding and decoding classes. As this computer science is so difficult for us.
Do we need to learn all this now?
You two students, what great discussion is going on?
No ma'am, we have been discussing about NEP which brought coding and decoding classes for us ma'am. Is it really necessary for us to learn all that now ma'am?
Okay, listen. Like students should have subject knowledge, it is also necessary for them to have skills like computational thinking. Coding and decoding are very useful in today's digital world. NEP hence also tries to bring about all these computational skills in the form of coding, decoding, artificial intelligence, and also developing and designing thinking in a very fun and informative manner from 6th to 8th grades.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. It was informative. Yeah, we have learned more. Thank you.
Hello, sister.
Hello.
It's been too long since we spoke.
Yes, it has been. How is everyone there?
Mom, the teacher have extended time for me to pay the fees, Mom, until weekend, Mom.
Oh God, this time is not enough.
What is the issue, Beulah?
Yeah, fees for my daughter's education is too high now itself. I don't know what to do for her higher education.
Oh, did you come across the National Education Policy 2020 that has been launched recently?
No.
Okay, wait. Let me explain it to you. This National Education Policy lays a lot of importance on financial assistance that has been offered to students. The National Education Policy says financial assistance shall be provided to students on various measures. For example, efforts will be taken to incentivize merit of students belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, other backward caste and socio-economically disadvantaged groups. The scholarship portal will be expanded to support and also track the progress of students who are receiving the scholarship. HEs are also being created and the private HEs are also being asked to provide scholarship in a large number. I hope this will be useful for you as well.
Oh, thanks for making me aware of this policy. Thank you so much.
Hello, Sharmila.
Hello, ma'am. I have just completed my schooling, ma'am, and I want to apply for the UG. I love more science as well as arts. I don't know which subject I want to choose. Can you please guide, ma'am?
Okay, see Sharmila, according to this new educational policy that is NEP 2020, higher education will involve 4 multidisciplinary studies for greater flexibility of student choice of subjects. See also this is designed to optimize learning by students and to give them more opportunities to focus on their areas of interest. Look, under this a student can pick subjects from any stream and can pursue them as major and minor courses too.
How this works, ma'am?
See, for example, if you don't want to pursue a course, say BSc Chemistry, You can stop it either after 1, 2, or 3 years, and you can still get a diploma certificate or a course certificate.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now I am clear.
Hey Ammu, how are you? What made you come here?
Fine. I'm here to get a few books.
Let's go home then. By the way, how is your JEE preparations?
I'm still preparing. How about you need preparations?
Yeah, mine is going good. Thank you. What do you know about National Testing Agency, so-called NTA?
Hey Moo, I didn't know you were here. Anyway, what you discussing about?
Yes, uncle. We were discussing about NTA. Can you fill us in about it?
Definitely. After this NAP, student get to choose from the option to take up common entrance examination which was conducted by NTA by NAP. So now student have a choices to take up common entrance examination or university examination. So there is no more compulsory examination such as NEET and JEE.
Oh, great. I'm happy that we have choices now. Thank you, Dad.
May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good morning, Nikita. I am fine. Please take your seat.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Did you collect your TC from the administration block?
Yes, ma'am. Just now.
What are your further plans?
I'm a bit confused about it, ma'am, and I wanted to seek some guidance from you.
Yes, for graduates like you, there are umpty number of opportunities, and now NEP being launched, the opportunities have become much more. For example, HECI, Higher Education Council of India, will be the umbrella body, and institutions will not only offer degrees in person, is also going to offer online degrees, that is, online distance learning, which is going to benefit large number of students across the country. This will also help you to take up different courses in the ODLs, and this is going to lead to a holistic multidisciplinary development, which is also going to help you if you take your career in the field of research and innovation. I guess you will choose your course well, and I wish you all the best for your future.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. This is very informative.
I have put so much effort into all of this research. I still don't know if the government is going to aid me in this. Maybe I should carry on my work abroad.
There will be no such need for you to go abroad. The National Research Foundation provides a reliable base by undertaking the initiatives to seed and grow research at state universities and other public institutions, where research capability is currently limited.